How to fix Roblox lag and boost FPS on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to boost your Roblox lag, your Roblox FPS on any Android phone. First, go to settings and then battery. Now just enable this one here, performance mode, enable it, and then go to Roblox and let's select anything here like this one and then click on it. And now just wait, and that's it. First click these 3 points here. Click on Roblox icon here in the top corner, and then click settings. And now just scroll down, and here you will find graphic mode, and make it manual here, and that's it. Now just now you will find it like that. Just make it low, and that's it. Now just let's try, and as you see the FPS have been boosted, and that's it. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.